Well, part of Ottawa's transit history has a new home. For more than 2 decades, volunteers have been restoring Streetcar 696. And while it's not quite finished, it is now on display. CTV's Peter Szperling had a closer look.
It's the next stop and a new chapter for historic Ottawa streetcar.
Oh, excellent. That's the way we would like to see it.
It has a new home.
It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. But now I believe it.
Rioma LaPlante, along with other volunteers, has spent more than 2 decades restoring Streetcar 696.
I figure we must be around 150,000 person hours.
Well, he estimates it's about 90% complete. Restoration of the more than 100-year-old vehicle hit a bumpy ride, including losing space at an OC TRANSPO bus garage at one point.
Since the pandemic, it's one thing another.
They did such an amazing job on restoration.
The project now back on track, with the streetcar relocating to the Railway Museum of Eastern Ontario in Smiths Falls.
It was made in Ottawa. It's an Ottawa streetcar, and we have been looking for a streetcar for a long time, and we heard about this one.
So exciting for us here at the museum. It's been many years since we've had kind of a new addition here.
The streetcar that once moved Ottawa passengers to work and play will now have a new life. Visitors to the museum can now get up and close to the streetcar, and the hope is eventually it may even run on these tracks. Museum officials say that may involve towing it at first with a small locomotive until it's able to run on its own.
And of course it'll have a bell. You gotta ring the bell on the streetcar.
Volunteers will continue to work on the piece of history now accessible to visitors.
Will be a great success.
Peter Szperling, CTV News.